Hi, my name is Aiden Herbert. I'm going to play some games. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below for other games you would want me to play. I'm only going to be really playing Roblox. So tell me any Roblox, suggest any Roblox games that you like and you want me to play. I will accept friend requests, but I have the max. So I can't really accept any. And I do not have a group. So, I'm gonna play, I don't know what game I should play. I'm gonna play Vehicle Simulator. Okay, everyone, I'm playing Vehicle Simulator. And I do not have any Robux. I really want this car. Citizen. This is my character, and I will chat if I see any of you people. Did I mention please like and subscribe? If you don't have Roblox, it's completely free. And did I mention this is my first ever video I've ever made? Please like. I don't care if I've been caught speeding. I don't care. I am the king. No one pushes me around. No one. No one. I follow the rules. Ah! Oh. You gotta follow the rules of physics, but that's it. Bye. I'm out. And if I do get a helicopter or a plane, I can show you something really cool on this island. There's a deadly black mist. this. I found my bag. Oh! Blah, 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 blah. Sorry guys. The reason I'm doing this is because I stayed home from school because I'm a little sick. I'm with my family. And my rabbit's out. My pet rabbit's out. Right now I have no idea where I'm going.
Oh, you running out of something? What you got?
But you can talk.
Oh.
Why not that? Ooh. Rest in peace. Rest in pieces, I mean. I died. If I can reach 20 views, I will. My next video will be If I can get 20 views, 20 likes, if I can get 20 likes on the next video, I will do a face reveal. I will reveal what my face looks like. Okay. When we go to the island, I can show you the cool thing I was talking about. Also kind of deadly. So, I might die. Dun dun dun. I'm sorry. I've never had a video before. Well, I've had another YouTube channel, but it's really glitchy. So, I don't recommend it really. This is so dangerous, yes, dangerous, so dangerous, yes, dangerous.